Hello everyone. In today's video, we are talking about how do we convert degrees to radians and radians back into degrees. So first of all, let's go over the key degree numbers that we're going to be using for a lot of our math questions. First of all, 0 degrees will result in 0 radians. In 90 degrees, that's known as pi over 2. 180 is going to be known as pi. 270 degrees is going to be 3 pi over 2. And lastly, 360 degrees is going to be 2 pi. Our favorite reminder here is that 180 degrees is equal to pi. So what if the degrees isn't one of those numbers? What if it's something like the following, 220 degrees or 3 pi over 4? We need to have some kind of conversion factor to go from one to the other. So again, we mentioned earlier that 180 degrees is equal to pi. So our idea here is either going to be 180 degrees over pi or pi over 180 degrees. So how do you know which one to use? Well, if I want to go from 220 degrees into radians, that means I take the 220 degrees and I need to multiply it to one of these two conversion factors. And we learned that when we're doing unit conversions, if I have degrees to start with, I need to make sure that degrees, the units, have to match to be in the bottom, and then I end up with pi on top. The reason why we do this is because if the units on top and the bottom are the same, those units will cancel out, which tells us here that the degrees will actually end up canceling out. So then we just end up with pi, which is the units of radians. So if we use a calculator here and we do 220 divided by 180, we end up getting 11 over 9 pi. Or you can rewrite it simply as 11 pi over 9. And there you go. You have your radians. For the next one, we have 3 pi over 4, and I want to convert that into degrees. So again, I'm going to start with 3 pi over 4. I need to use the right conversion factor. So again, we had pi here. So that means pi has to go to the bottom and 180 degrees comes to the top. Now when that happens, the pi factors, or the pi units, will cancel out, leaving no more pi left over, telling us that degrees is going to be left. So here we're just going to go 3 times 180 divided by 4, giving us 135 degrees. So I hope this video helped you learn how to convert from degrees to radians and radians back into degrees whenever you need to. Just make sure to use the right conversion factor and have the units guide you to the right answer. Please make sure to smash that like button and support us by subscribing to the channel and keep increasing your math knowledge. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.